I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
We are back again. This is Headquarter Center, and we are giving you a weekend edition for this special because someone has requested it, and everybody wants to tell you the truth, but nothing about auto tips and do-it-yourself tutorial. So we are here today to work on this car. It's a special video because there are some extra components and other features that on this car that people don't know, and we are here to give you free and how to use this component or features to set your car update on this car. And there are other features that you are able to set about something like battery, oil percentage, and other features. All these things are here, tire pressure, so what and so on. So we are going to take you into step by step to know how you can, even after maintenance, how to calibrate and turn off this maintenance light is very important. Most mechanics have asked me this question a lot, and today I'm here to create this video so that everybody can get access to work on it, to also use it in your comfort zone or wherever you are. This is why you are here. But before we get into the video, please consider to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new video on this platform. We are here to give you nothing but tell the truth and teach you how to fix your car. So let's get into the video, and this is Dodge Activa, as you can see it. But in the screen you can see a lot of warning light out there. That means you have to do something to turn this light off. First of all, you can see change oil. Oil change has already been done, but the indicator is still on. So we are going to show you how you can work on it to turn it off or set it for the next maintenance service. You can see set airbag, service airbag, and also there are some indicators here that you can calibrate to see what is going on your car. So main menu, if you want to see what is going on your screen, this is the main menu. This is cancel, and this is the OK or check. So anytime you want to calibrate or reset something on the screen, the final product, you have to click this to make know that what you are doing is okay. So this or the optimize is not okay. And then again, you can see front tires, whether the the air inside is okay or not. And you can see the red tires left and right. Again, you can see the bumper zone, and then how to calibrate it. So this and many more we are going to show you, but I'm going to show you how to work on the oil percentage first. So on the screen, okay, this is, you see, it's supposed to be 100%, but it's on 0. So let me take you here to see how you can work on it. Menu, you have to come here. Okay, so you have to press to display the language first, but the language is in English. So I'll again go to oil life and then click OK. So as I have places, you can see XSS. That means something must be done to start. So now it's 100%, and this is how you can set it. To show you how you can calibrate it and see what is going on or the system information. So at the same key, when you press, it will give you the parking off, and this is the oil light before I show you, and it was 0%. So after I reset it, I use the OK key to reset it. So the next is the metric unit, which is normal in the system, and then the next coolant temperature. It will give you whether the car is in a high temperature or is getting overheating. So it's 0 degrees Celsius, which means the cooling system is okay now, and you can see the battery percentage is also there, which is okay because the car has no fault. In case you might facing a problem with the car, you can call us or we show you what to do, and maybe if there is a drainage, you can check some electrical. That will be your service provider or your dealer in your area. So again, we have tire pressure at the same key, and when you want to reset it, you can use the middle key and the last key to reset it, what percentage you want to use. But this one is just an example I'm showing you. So this key will reset the battery, the what do you call it, the tire pressure, and the end result will be okay for you. So you can place it anytime you want to reset and get the result. You have to place the OK key for a while, and it will generate automatically on the system. This means we have to use the go to tire station and work on the tire before we can do the calibration here, else you can't get any result as at now. And don't hesitate to call us or contact us. You can put your comment below for any information. We can assist you as soon as possible. Eric Auto Center is everywhere, and we want to go viral to the diaspora and entire world. So keep subscribed to our channel. It is very important to us when you subscribe to our channel. It is very important to us when you call us, and when you face any difficulties, please don't hesitate to call us. We will soon provide a podcast so that we can have more interact about cars. If you want to buy a car, if you have a problem with a car, we can teach you and assist you how to fix it. This and many more we want to bring on this platform. We have a lot for you, but without your support, we can't do all these things. So what support we need from you? We need this support from you by hit the subscribe button again. Don't forget to hit it and click the notification bell to take update. It's very important for us so that we can see who we are interacting with. And don't forget to put your comment below in the comment box. It's very important for us so that Eric Auto will also generate another power to do more quality video content for you. This is what we are here. And again, I will introduce myself to this Eric Auto Center, and as you know, we are dedicated ourselves to tell the truth but nothing about auto tips. The only thing we are here and our mission is to teach you how to fix your car. This is our philosophy. So also help us to go viral and let grow this channel for the future, and the entire diaspora will also get benefit from it. I'm here with my boss, the one and only manager, Dake TV. Is also on YouTube, so please, if you go to the search bar, search for Dake TV and subscribe to his channel to get more entertainment news and what is going on around the world of entertainment. So we are here with him, and I can tell you he's doing a marvelous job to promote this channel. So watch this video to end and share to go viral. Share to your friends and family, your loved ones, any area of social media platform that you are involved. Please share this video to other people to also get benefit. We thank you much, and we appreciate your continuous support to helping this Eric Auto. Thank you for watching, and see you in the meantime. Bye bye.